So next we're going to create some div containers and we're going to add some styles to these. So I've just taken the liberty of tidying this up a little bit, choosing some nicer colours. And what I'm going to do is create a wrapper div, which I'm going to put all this content in. I'm going to set a width of 800 pixels and I'm going to center it in the middle. So we'll have a nice centered block in the middle. So let's have a look at the HTML. And so what I'm going to do is create the wrapper div here. So it's div id equals wrapper, and I can call this anything, but the word wrapper means that it's wrapping around something, so it means something to me, and I'm going to end it here, div there. So div starts here, there's my content, and the div ends there. So if I save this, have a look in Firefox, refresh, we don't actually see anything because I haven't done anything to it. I need to style it in the style sheets. So because it's an ID, I'll start it with hash, and then I pop the name in, curly brackets, and then I can define a width. I'll have that as 800 pixels. And here's the little trick of how you get a box centered in the middle. So we do margin 0 and auto. And this basically means the 0 is the value for the top and the bottom of the box, and auto is the value for left and right. So because it's auto, it's going to be centered. So I'll save that. We'll have a look at the web page, and here we have it. It's in the center. It's 800 pixels wide. So next I'll create an extra banner at the top. So I need to just create it in here. So it's going to be inside wrapper. So div id equals id equals banner. I'm not really going to put anything inside this yet. It's just an object. Save that, go over to style and define the style for banner. So it's banner, curly brackets, and I'm just going to define a height of 50 pixels and a colour so we can see it. Background. Just have it gaudy red again. Let's save that and see if this works. And there we have the banner in there. So I could, in fact, in the banner, I could just pop in a heading maybe. I could copy this heading, pop that in, refresh. Oof. So there's the heading inside the banner. So I could put anything in there. I could put a logo image, some text, a search box, anything like that.